Hey, cousins, hey, it's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you with a slay today. I'm coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hey, y'all. How your mom and them doing? Today I'm bringing you a slay brought to you by Wow African, you guys. As you know, I have tried several of their units. I'm always very impressed. One thing in particular, baby, always on my mind is that lace. That lace always coming with it. Right now, I'm just showing you the gifts that they put in the box. We got some flyaway tamer. We got the rat tail comb. We got the wig cap. And we have the edge holder downer wrap thingamabobber when you need to lay those edges down. When you need to lay it down, lay it down, you need one of those jigamabobbers, okay? Now, this wig, you guys, this is their 13x6 thick density brown wavy HD lace virgin wig. I really wanted to try this because I don't know if I've ever tried a color wig from them. So I definitely wanted to try it. This is a glueless wig, you guys, hence that elastic that you saw. But y'all, let's talk about this. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Look at that hairline. Look at that hairline, saints. I haven't plucked the first. Do you hear me? What I say? Huh? See, because God said if we take one step, he will take two. So you take the first step and you get this wig, and honey, those are the two steps right there. That's the extra two steps, okay? Because we're not plucking, you guys. We don't have to continuously do this to ourselves. We don't have to. You think we do, we don't. Okay? The lace, beautiful. Beautiful. And these are just some of the things that make this wig very beginner friendly. You don't have to pluck. The hairline is already flawless. The lace is flawless, you guys. I mean, those are things that they're taking the work out of it. They're taking the work out of it, you guys. So you just throw your cap on. Now, this particular cap is a wig grip / cap. It's a 2-in-1. Okay? The links will be, of course, in my description box, you guys. But listen, let me tell you something. Let me tell you, kid. Let me tell you. It's, period. It's over with. It's obvious. It's a snug fit. I use that elastic band, and baby, when I tell you, you can shout in this wig, and I'm talking a good ignorant on top of ignorant shout. And this wig will not move from your head, especially if you mess around and melt it. But we're not melting, you guys. This is a glueless wig. I'm going to show you what it looks like as it is. Because I literally plopped this thing on my head, y'all, and I was so perplexed because I was like, okay, what am I going to do? Clearly, once you cut the look at that, y'all. Just look. Hello. Once you cut the lace off and you are left with that beautiful hairline upon your head, what you gonna do after that? Go on down there to the post office and mail off your invitations to your housewarming. That's where we at with it. You can go on down there to the post office, do your thing, stop off at Publix, get your parfait, go on to the house and chill for the rest of the day. You done. Look at that. Look at the lace. Look at the lace, y'all. Look at the lace. Now, I don't mean no harm, but y'all got to look at that lace right there. That's why I put the little pause right there so y'all can look at it, okay? I did that for a reason, okay? Look, let me finish cutting. Y'all thought it was already cut. Y'all didn't even know I still had lace upon that wig. That's how good that lace is, y'all. I ain't lying. I ain't got to sit up here and lie. You literally just put this wig on, put the clips in, go on down there to Best Buy and get your laptop case for your trip you got coming up. That's really it, y'all. You don't have to do anything else. Everything else is like just styling as you will. I mean, really, you could be done. I want you to know that everything that I'm about to do is ignorant on top of ignorant, okay? We just being extra. You don't have to do any of this. You already know how I feel about my ear tabs. I like using my own ear tabs because I think it looks very natural. In this process right here, you will remove some hair, okay? It's okay. It's okay. I know a lot of y'all don't like that. It's okay to remove a little bit of hair from that lace. It is not going to hurt you or harm you in any way if you want that natural look now. Look at this, y'all. This is glueless. No glue has been placed upon my forehead, okay? Does everybody up under the sound of my voice realize what I'm saying to you? This is it. This is so beginner friendly. It's ridiculous, you guys. And again, this is 150% density and 20 inches. Look at this. Look, look, look. Still no glue, okay? Okay, okay. Can the church say amen and amen again? Okay, that's it. I'm trying to think of stuff to do, y'all. Like, I literally was done. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a little bit of that volume off the top of the wig. Again, this is optional. You do not have to do this, but that's just what I'm going to do because I was like, I got to do something. I got to do something to the wig now. So I'm going to take off some of the volume. I'm just taking this flat iron. I really like this flat iron just to take some of the volume off. That part is looking so good, y'all. That part is parts-habulous. Here, I'm raising those little humps. Those two little McDowell's humps in the front of the wig. I like that. I like when it does that, okay? I probably should have done that after I do this part right here. I'm just making some like face framing fringe bangs. You know what I'm saying? Just to give it some spice, y'all, because I didn't know what I was going to do. I was like, girl, you got to do something. You are the professional. You got to sit up here and do something. So I said, well, I sat up here and throw some little bangs or something in it, put some little barrel curls in it or something. But then it's over with. I'm going down there to 𝐔𝐧𝐝 Cuisine, getting my lobster mac and cheese and my fried fish, period. That's it. That's all. I'm already ready to go, y'all. And everything that I did, I literally just had to do something, y'all. I could have placed it upon my head and kept it moving. I need y'all to know that. That is the epitome of beginner friendly. So when you see beginner friendly wigs, but you got to do all kind of stuff to it, that's not beginner friendly, you guys. When you can plop that sucker on your head and be about your business, huh? That's what you call beginner friendly. Right here, I just put a little clip in the back. You know what I'm saying? Trying to spruce it up. I ain't trying to mess that up. You know, I was trying to spruce it up, be cute for my husband. I just threw a little clip back there, period. That's it. That's all. You guys, this is a wig that you want. Literally a plop on and go. And you know around here, we love plop on and goes. You already know what time it is, y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Peace, love, and light.